Hey, I'm Dr. Joe Niamtu, LoveThatFace.com. Why is March one of my favorite months? Because that's when we get to do our annual cosmetic facial surgery course. This is our 47th course. I'm not that old. We used to do 4 a year, and now we just do 1 a year. But it's a great course. It's on March 5th and 6th, 2027. And it is 2 days of intense learning, and we have fun, and there's a lot of camaraderie. There are people here from all over the world of just about any specialty, and we welcome any specialty that has an interest in cosmetic facial surgery. It will be a live surgery course, so you will be able to actually come in the operating room and observe close up all of our surgeries, which will include, and I usually forget something, but deep plane face and neck lift, brow lift, upper lids, lower lids, cheek implants, chin implants, CO2 laser resurfacing, chemical peel, buccal fat reduction, liposuction, fat transfer from the abdomen to the face, and other procedures that I'm probably leaving out. So it's a great weekend. Once again, we welcome any doctor from any specialty that has an interest in cosmetic facial surgery. You can register at LoveThatFace.com. Under physician education on the main menu, or you can go to cosmeticsurgeryeducation.com. I'm going to show you a little video from last year's course, and it shows the learning, it shows the fun. I'm really excited about this, and we welcome you to our course. Again, it's international, and that's what makes it such a good time. Stay tuned for a video from last year. Of course, let's go get them.
Hi everybody, welcome to the course. Look alive, lots of energy.
All right, team, it is the 6th of March, and we have our 47th annual course. We haven't been doing it for 47 years. I'm not that old, okay? We used to do 4 a year. But this is my team. We're going to have a great day. We have 2 full days of surgery. We have people here from 7 countries. It's incredible. New Zealand, Australia, Peru, the Ukraine, Lithuania, some others I can't remember. But this is my great team. We're going to have a good day. Here we are, day 2 of the Niamtu Cosmetic course. We had a great day yesterday, did a ton of surgery. We just finished our first case, which was chemical peel, upper and lower lefts, buccal fat pad, and cheek implants. And now we're going to do some lectures and go do our next case. Come on in. Say hi, everybody. Say hi.
This is a lot of work, okay? Put your lips on it. 1, 2, 3.